Finally got the rims installed. I'm gonna give you another video once I get it cleared, clean up the tires. Then I'll show y'all another side of it. So we're back in the shop. Got the rims on and the tires mounted. I made a few changes though. From when y'all seen it at that tire shop, I made a few changes. I had to. Something was missing. And as you can see, I added more wrap to the lip of the wheel. When I seen it the first time, I was like, something missing. I just couldn't do it. Something was missing. Now these rims are black and the tire is black. So what it was doing was giving me a spare tire look. I didn't like that, so therefore I made it stand out more. I gave it more definition, add along with the wrap that's inside, and you tell me. I'm loving the new look, but I want to know your opinion. You tell me what you think about the wheels. Tell me if I need to add more or I added too much or it's just right. Let me know. Now, other than that, man, everything is pretty much on this car that I need. The wrap, that's fire, man. We added a new wrap. I'll give you a comparison of what the car looked like before. I even wrapped it with the previous wrap, which was blue, and then the wrap that's now. Then I give you a comparison with the blue and the new wrap. I love opinions. I want to hear what y'all got to say in the comments. So take it there, y'all. Let me know. Now, other than that, all I got to do is add the music and my navigation, not navigation, but my remote start. Once I add that remote start in there, I'll be all set. I'll get this truck outside, show y'all more visuals, let y'all see it from a distance. I appreciate y'all for watching. I thank you. More to come, y'all. Homer Chronicles. Catch y'all on the next video.